I'm doing a review of Dali's pasta factory in Puerto Banus in southern Spain. It's very, very nice. It's been here about 30 years. It's just on the back line of Puerto Banus. Everyone is so happy sitting outside. Look at this, a lovely balcony. It's very, very nice. The food is absolutely delicious. It's very, very well documented. This is the place to come. Even though this place is busy, it never feels that busy. Now Dali's is, sorry about that, it's just been refurbished. And let's have a look at the restaurant. Look at this, it's got a lovely bar. It's got lovely, oh look, they serve beer. Beer is very nice, it's alcoholic. Now this restaurant has just been refurbished inside. They spent a lot of money and it's beautiful. And it's got old pictures of Italian gentlemen. It's got lots of drinks. It's really very, very nice. The atmosphere is fantastic. The lighting is fantastic. And they got more sitting over here. It's very, very nice. They're very into Ferraris and racing. They got some lovely helmets there. And they got some pictures of some Italian great boxers and singers, and oh, it's very, very nice here. And I had the pasta, and my partner had the pizza, and it's excellent quality. I'd say it's the best restaurant in Puerto Banus. And everything about it is fantastic. It's very nice. The air condition here, which gives a lovely atmosphere. The staff are very, very friendly. They're all very nice. It's got an open kitchen. Look at that. You can see the chefs cooking the food in the pasta factory. Look at that, they're very good chefs, very highly trained. The restaurant has been around for over 30 years, so they definitely know how to keep it busy. It's always busy. It's second line on the pop, but believe me, it's the #1 restaurant in Puerto Banus. It's very, very nice. They got some soft seating there. Look at that. You can sit down, you can relax before your meal. It's very, very nice. It's very modern. It's got lots of alcoholic drinks, some of the best wine in the southern Spain area. And look at this, it's very, very nice. They got high chairs for children. It's very, very nice indeed, and I recommend it. It's got an entrance out here. Look at this, you can come in different places. And I'm coming around the side of Pasta Factory, and they got outside seating here. And look at this, they got projected up there. You can project, you see some motor racing. It's very, very nice. Look at this, it's a lovely atmosphere. We're outside on the terrace. It's Dali's Pasta Factory in Puerto Banus. I recommend it highly. It's the #1 restaurant in the Puerto Banus area, and I do highly recommend this place. Look at it, Dali's Pasta Factory. I recommend it. Please click back for more reviews, but make sure when you're in Puerto Banus, come to this place, Pasta Factory. It's very, very nice. Everyone's very friendly, and I recommend it. They've even got live music. Look at that, that's so nice. They got lovely views. You can see the boats from here. And that's my review of Dali's Pasta Factory, Puerto Banus. Try it yourself, you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much.